If you're using AI face swap tools like FaceFusion, Roop, Cam, or any real-time face swap software, one of the most important applications you'll need is OBS Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to install OBS Studio 2026 from scratch, configure it correctly, and set it up so it works perfectly with AI face swap tools for live streaming, video calls, and recording. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this guide is beginner-friendly and will have you up and running in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Click on Main Page link in my description. This will take you to OBS Studio main page. Since we installing for Windows, click on Windows option. This will start downloading a file. Once file downloaded, double-click on Installer to install OBS Studio. Close any browser or app if open, then click Next. Again, click Next, then Install. Once installed, click Finish and run it first time. This is where everyone do mistake. Click on third option. I will use OBS as virtual cam. Click Next and apply settings. Now you won't have issue OBS virtual cam not displaying output sometimes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on AI, face swapping, voice cloning, and the latest open source tools. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.